Hello everyone, it's David with you again. Today we're gonna make a cheese board for the most amazing cheese in the world, our Parmigiano. The perfect serving dish for a fancy restaurant as well as for cozy gatherings at home. You're watching Virmer, let's get started. On the screen you will see a list of what we need to make the cheese board. You can pause the video to make sure you have everything. We will be using the Wattsan 0609 Mini. It's the perfect CNC milling machine for our task. It's gonna suppress all the vibration thanks to its solid cast iron bed. The positioning accuracy is 0.05 millimeters and the maximum working speed is 5000 millimeters per minute. The machine is reliable, accurate and designed to last. Just what we need. If you want to know more about it, the link to the review is in the description. We have prepared this exquisite layout in ArtCam software. The board will be in the shape of a piece of cheese with a hole for a glass and a small pocket for honey. Set the following settings. Transfer the control program to the controller. We use the DSP controller because it's more convenient, comfortable, it's portable and you can change very easily the settings. It does not suffer from dust and believe me, there will be a lot of it. Let's get started. Do you want to start working on a machine but you're afraid of making the wrong choice? Well, you can contact me or other Virmer managers and we will go through your needs and we find the right machine for your tasks. This is the beauty we have. For a cleaner look, we finish the edges and cover them with oil. It's much better now. Are you ready to dream a little? It's a winter's night and you're sitting by the fireplace. You have a glass of wonderful red dry wine in your hand and you want to munch on a wonderful Italian Parmigiano cheese with a drop of sweet good honey. And there it is, right at your fingertips. You can put your glass next to it and enjoy it. There is nothing better than Italian cheese after all. Did you like it? With the Wattsan 0609, you can bring these wonderful emotions to your customers. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. My name is David, I will see you in the next video.